In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to set up the Amnezia WG protocol on your server using the Amnezia app on your PC, but for those of you who don't have a computer or just want to do everything from your phone, good news! You can set up everything directly from your phone, and I'll show you exactly how in this video. First, you'll need a VPS with at least one CPU core and 1 GB of RAM, running either Ubuntu 22.04 or Debian 11 or higher. If you don't have a VPS or aren't sure how to get one, check out my video, How to Buy VPS 2025 Edition, the link is in the description. After setting up your VPS, the next step is to connect to it. I recommend using Termius, a powerful SSH client available on all major platforms, especially Android and iOS. If you're not sure how to use it, I've made a short video called Manage Servers on Mobile with Termius, you'll find the link in the description. Open Termius, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, then select New Host. A new page will appear where you'll enter your server's details. First, in the alias field, type any name you want for your server, then in the IP address field, enter your VPS's IP address. Skip the other fields until you reach the username section. Here, type your server's username, usually, it's just root. Next, enter your password in the password field. Once you're done, tap the check icon in the top right corner to save. Now, you'll see your server listed in Termius, with the name you gave it, tap on it to connect. The first time you connect, you'll be asked to trust the server's fingerprint. Just tap continue to accept it, and that's it, you're now connected to your VPS, using only your phone. Before installing anything, let's update your system. Just run the update command I provided in the description. It might take a few minutes to complete. If you're asked to confirm anything during the update, just press enter or type Y to continue. Now we need to install Docker, which is required to run Amnezia on your server. In this video, I'm using Debian, so I'll copy and run the Docker installation command specifically for Debian. But don't worry, I've included the Docker installation commands for both Debian and Ubuntu in the description below. Just make sure to copy the correct one based on your system. During the Docker installation, if you're asked, do you want to continue? Type Y and hit enter. Once Docker is installed, your VPS is ready for Amnezia. Now it's time to install Amnezia itself. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Amnezia. And install the app. Open it. Tap Let's Get Started, and choose Self-Hosted VPN. Enter your VPS IP address. Your root username. And your password. Then tap Continue. You'll be asked to choose an installation type. You have two options. Automatic, installs Amnezia WG quickly and easily. Manual, lets you choose other protocols like WireGuard, OpenVPN, X-Ray, and more. For this video, I recommend using Automatic. If you're curious about manual setup, let me know in the comments, I can make a separate video about it. Once you choose Automatic, the installation begins and usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. If there's any error, check your internet connection, restart the Amnezia app, and try again. After installation, you'll see a server named Server1. You can rename it by clicking the icon next to the server name, then clicking the settings icon. In the tab that opens, click the pencil icon next to the server name, type your desired name, and press save. Now that your server is set up, let's connect to it. You don't need any extra app, just open the Amnezia app, go to the Home tab, and press Connect. The app may ask for some permissions, just accept all. Let's check our connection. As you can see, our IP address has changed to match the VPS, which means we're now connected through Amnezia. If you want to use Amnezia on another phone, maybe to share it with friends, family, or your second device, here's what to do. First, open the Amnezia app on your current phone, tap the share icon. Enter a username for the new device. Then tap Share. Amnezia will generate a configuration file and show you a QR code. At this point, you can scan the QR code, copy the config, or save the file. But remember, you'll only see it once, so make sure to save the file immediately. Now tapping on Share. Choose a name for the file and pick a location to store it. You can repeat this process to create configs for other devices, usually up to 10 users if your VPS has 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM. Now, let's connect that second phone to Amnezia. You need to transfer the config file to that device. You can use any method, but I personally prefer Google Drive. Here's what I do. I upload all my Amnezia config files to Google Drive. And then just download them on the other phone. So, open the Google Drive app on the second phone, and download the correct config file. Now it's time to install Amnezia on this device too. Like before, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Amnezia. And install the app. Open it and tap Let's Get Started. Choose the option File with Connection Settings, then select the downloaded config file and tap Connect. The app might ask for a few permissions, just accept them. That's it. You're now connected to Amnezia on your second phone. Let's check our connection. As you can see, our IP address has changed to match the VPS, which means we're now connected through Amnezia. Now let's set up Amnezia on your PC. Just like with the phone, you first need to transfer the config file to your computer. You can move the file however you want, but again, I like to use Google Drive. So I upload the config file from my phone to Google Drive, and then download it from there on my PC. Once you have the file on your computer, it's time to install the Amnezia app for PC. Go to the official Amnezia website, I've included the link in the description. And download the PC version. Install it and it should launch automatically after installation. Now click Let's Get Started. Choose File with Connection Settings. Then select the config file you downloaded earlier. And click Connect. That's it, you're now connected to Amnezia on your computer. Let's check our connection. As you can see, our IP address has changed to match the VPS, which means we're now connected through Amnezia. The Amnezia app is a powerful cross-platform tool that lets you manage and connect to Amnezia WG from your PC, Mac, Linux machine, or mobile device, all in one app. And Amnezia can do more than just install one protocol. It supports WireGuard, OpenVPN, IPsec, X-Ray, and ShadowSox, plus extras like personal cloud storage and even DNS hosting. In this video, I focused on how to set everything up on your phone, for people who don't have a PC. In upcoming videos, I'll go deeper into setting up other protocols and advanced features using the Amnezia app, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Also, if you're into VPNs, servers, or privacy tools, check out my channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.